Okay, as far as our toilet paper project, I wanted to go over some basic patterns and designs so you could kind of think of these as pieces. And one thing I didn't mention before, if you have a hot glue gun and you're making a permanent one, you could do that. You could also, if you do have a large piece of cardboard or paper that you're using and you want it to be one color, you could always glue everything down and then spray paint it, or then paint it afterwards. You don't have to paint them first. So a couple different designs that are like basic designs. One would be to kind of start with 4. You can see I have this design here. It makes like a circle, and I would put glue on the insides here. That's one kind of a basic building block, and you can imagine if you have a lot of these starting to build off each other, and you want to pinch these so they're got points to them. You can see if I start building these all up, that's one basic building design you could have. Another one is if you do something that looks more like a flower, you'd have 4, and so on and so on. The tighter you pinch these, the more you can put in here. And you can see how easily with this flower pattern I could start creating a design like that. Other things you could do is, instead of keeping these whole, you could always cut these. Okay, now there's all sorts of different lines I can create with this. If you want it to curl, you could take a pencil and kind of hold it just like a ribbon if you've ever done this. If you want it to curl sharper, you're going to want to use something with a harder edge. Just kind of be gentle. And you can see how it's starting to curl on there. I could also take it and kind of wind it. Put a little pressure. And then I could start doing curls in my design too. You can make wider edges. You can also, it doesn't have to be a whole ring. I could take parts of rings and place them inside other rings. And it starts creating other shapes. Okay, so really be creative with this. Think about a large design and just kind of have fun with it.